Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the browser you use on your PC, and if required, sign in so synced data is visible. Once open, click the menu icon in the top right and choose Settings or History. This gets you into the Management area. Make sure to find the option labeled Clear Browsing Data or Clear History so you can choose what to remove. This first step initiates control over cached files, cookies, and history, and explains why you need the right settings page before deleting anything. Now you select the time range and specific data to delete so you remove exactly what you intend to. Choose last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Once done, check boxes for browsing history, cookies, cached images, and download history as appropriate. Make sure to consider whether your account sync is on, because that affects cloud-stored history versus local-only data. If you want full removal, pick all time and include site settings and cached files for a cleaner result. Finally, confirm by clicking Clear Data or Clear Now and wait until the process finishes. Do not close the browser mid-delete. After that, restart the browser and check history to verify items are gone, and inspect any synced devices if you use Account Sync. If history persists, disable sync temporarily and repeat the clear for all time option. Alternatively, clear the profile cache or remove browsing data from the account dashboard. This troubleshooting step fixes most cases where deletion did not fully propagate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.